Sherry Kropp with the City of Fayetteville, and I'm out and about today at the beautiful Cape Fear Botanical Garden. If you love being out in nature in the midst of beautiful flowers and plants, then you need to make a visit to the garden. Nestled on 80 acres, it's just 2 miles from downtown Fayetteville. The garden is a beautiful and treasured part of Fayetteville, offering blooming ornamental plants, specialty gardens, water features, and tranquil spots to refresh and connect with nature.
When visitors come, we always have something blooming. It's always something different. Even in the winter, we have things blooming, and a lot of people don't realize that we always have something growing here. So that's one of the benefits of visiting the garden year-round, is we have something here all the time. We don't just have plants blooming in the garden. We have lots of art featured in the garden. We have lots of water features, and we have so many different living animals in the garden. So there's always something to see, and we have lots of spots to just sit down and take it all in. Lots of benches, lots of great and perfect picnic spots to definitely check out. The garden has several different specialty gardens. When a visitor comes in, they'll get a map of all of the different locations that they can see. All of the different gardens have some sort of theme going on. We have our children's garden, which is what every family loves to go to. We have a little sandbox that they can play in, and just some camellia trees is in there as well. All of the flora and fauna found in the butterfly stroll is all for pollinators. So everything that is grown there attracts pollinators. So every time you go down there, some sort of pollinator is going to be over there, which is really awesome. The Heritage Garden is really awesome. It was made to just be able to reincarnate what the agricultural life was around here in the local Cape Fear area back then. We have a local farmhouse that was built by Alexander Carter in the 1880s, and it was donated to us, and it's really awesome. Our volunteers helped renovate it, and we also have a general store, a corn crib, a smokehouse, an outhouse. It doesn't work, but if we have one. We also have a vegetable and herb garden, and our master gardeners help maintain that. And everything that is grown in that garden is actually donated to Second Harvest. So that's really awesome for us to be able to donate back to the community as well. If you were able to walk every trail we have here, it's probably about 3 miles. So that's really, really nice if you wanted to come out here and just get a breath of fresh air and walk. We definitely have spots for people to take a minute and enjoy the nature. We also have several different benches along the trail to sit and enjoy the garden. We have a lot of educational and cultural programs here at the garden. Our education coordinators are really awesome in doing all of the education. It's mostly environmental science, but we also have some hands-on, handcrafted activities. There are so many things to come out and explore, and it really brings the kids outside, which is what we really want to try to accomplish as the garden. Our mission is to connect people to plants, and so we really try and do that with our educational programs. We also do field trips for kids to come out in the garden as well. We also have a therapeutic horticulture program that is really beneficial to our local area because we are a military town. So this is something that people get to come and get their hands dirty and just really get that natural therapy through plants. And it's something that we really, really like to do, and it's another way that we can accomplish our mission.
So it's absolutely beautiful at the garden right now with all of the azaleas and dogwoods in bloom and all the spring flowers. But there's always something in bloom year-round at the garden. So I would encourage you to come out, take a day, make a visit, just to check out all of what the garden has to offer. You can go to the garden website at capefearbg.org to check out all of the upcoming events and activities that are going on at the garden. Thank you for watching Out and About.